Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy bun hairstyle, and it's a lot more simple than you'd think. To start, I've curled the hair, but this can work on straight hair as well. And I'm going to add a dry texture spray all over those curls. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then I'm going to divide the front of the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip this out of the way. Then repeat on the opposite side of the head. Now I'm going to take a small chunk of hair from the left hand side of the head. I'm going to twist this all in one direction towards the head and bring it over to the opposite side. Secure it on the right hand side with a bobby pin and then pop a closed bobby pin through the centre of the twist. Next, use your fingers to gently pinch and pull that twist apart for more volume. And we're going to take the same size section on the right hand side and do the same steps, so twist it all the way to the left hand side towards the head and secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Make sure the twist lays underneath the first one and then gently pinch and pull that twist apart. So moving back to the left side, take the same size chunk of hair, twist it towards the head, pinning it on the opposite side and through the centre, and then pinch and pull the twist. And we're going to do this one more time, so take a section on the right hand side, twist it towards the head and bring it over to the opposite side of the head and secure with pins. Don't forget to pinch and pull your twist. Now for that last little section, we're just going to twist this all in one direction, and before we pin it, we're going to pinch and pull it apart, and then holding on to both sides, I'm going to lay this horizontally across the bottom of that bun and then just use your hand to tuck the ends underneath so you can't see them. Then secure with a few more bobby pins. Release your side sections down, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair to frame the face. And with the rest of the hair, we're just going to repeat the same steps again, so twist it towards the head. We're going to bring it over the top of the bun, pinch and pull that twist apart and secure it on the left hand side with a couple of bobby pins. Then just repeat on the opposite side, so leave your hair out to frame the face, twist the rest of the hair towards the opposite side of the head, pinch and pull and secure with a couple of pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.